It's hard to believe it has been a year. For some, it went by quickly. And for others, it went on for about eternity. But we have reached the end of this year in this class, which means it's time for art of biology. Just 2 times longer. I'd have to say Unit 7 was my favorite. Our debate topic of GMOs, whether or not the use of GMOs was ethical or not. We also had a pretty fun lab, trying to make some E. coli glow using the P glow gene. Now let's flash back to the beginning of the year, where we started with an intro to biology. We learned about the 7 characteristics of life that every living organism needs to have in order to be living. GMOs have the 7 characteristics in the E. coli in our lab. They might be human-made, but they're still living creatures we need to care for. Speaking of human-made, we are adding many new genes into the gene pool, altering the natural processes of evolution and natural selection, giving animals new advantages over each other. Then we started Unit 3 off with ecology, which GMOs would also affect as well. These newly added genes that could spread, throwing off natural processes like evolution and natural selection, which would then throw off the balances in the ecosystem, allowing species to either dominate or disappear. Then we have Unit 4 and 5, cell structure and cell processes. Our whole P glow lab was about modifying cells. We had to learn the heat shock process so we could slow down the membranes of the E. coli, allowing us to enter the P glow gene into the cell to make our E. coli glow. We also used a nutrient broth on some of the dishes, giving the E. coli glucose, allowing the E. coli to carry out cellular respiration to grow. Then we have Unit 6, talking about our genetics. GMOs can result in brand new mutations, like the transgenic pigs that are found to be arthritic and partially blind. And that has been our year, Units 1 through 7. It's been a fun year. Our focus questions, labs, tests, and quizzes. So thank you, Miss Billy. It's been a fun year, and it's sad to see it over.